Hey everyone, my name is Colin Ma, and in this video, I am going to show you how to purchase Jewel, DeFi Kingdom's token. Now, DeFi Kingdom lives on the Harmony network, which means we need to purchase its coin, one, in order to purchase and swap for Jewel. So to do so, you need to start on a centralized exchange that has one, such as KuCoin. This is by no means an endorsement of KuCoin, but it is the exchange that I used to purchase one. Like any centralized exchange, you'll have to go through a KYC process during your application. Once that is approved, you can deposit some money in it, and you want to get that over from your main account, which is there by default, to your trading account. And it's super simple. Once you have any assets in your main account, so I don't even know what this is. I think they gave this to me for free. You hit transfer, you send it to the trading account. Let's just do all of them. Boom. Simple. Now you go to your trading account, and let's just say you switched over your USDT. So you have the means to buy some one. So we're going to look up Harmony. You see one Harmony. We're going to trade. We're going to do USDT in our case. If you sent Bitcoin or bought Bitcoin to your KuCoin account, you can use Bitcoin instead. Now, I'm not going to teach you over the nitty gritty on how to use KuCoin, but basically you can purchase it right now for the best price available. And I'm not going to actually buy it, but for example, you can do 100 USDT and click buy one. And then it'll take a few seconds to process, and you will be able to see the results of your transactions right here. So now that you actually have one in your KuCoin account, we're going to have to set up a MetaMask. MetaMask is the most popular and a very trusted wallet that lives in your browser and allows you to work with decentralized apps, which is technically what DeFi Kingdom the game is. Now, to do so, you're going to actually download MetaMask here at metamask.io. You'll get a seed phrase. Make sure you keep that super safe. If anyone has that, they can actually access your MetaMask account. So write that down. Don't keep it on your computer. Don't keep it in the cloud. It's very important, right? Because otherwise, anyone who has access to that seed phrase can, again, do whatever they want with your crypto. So you can add that as browser extension. Now, by default, it only has the Ethereum network. And so all these networks are networks that I've added manually. And you would have to go through the same process to add Harmony. So add Harmony to MetaMask. And so quick Google search, nothing too complicated. In order to add Harmony to your MetaMask, you are going to go to your MetaMask browser extension. You're going to go click up here, and then you're going to hit add network. Now, again, I already added Harmony, so I'm not going to go through these exact steps, or I'm not going to at least save it. But so we'll go to document. Okay, adding a custom endpoint. Okay, so mainnet, we'll put this here in the network name. And then new RPC URL, we'll put this there. Yeah, so this error pops up for me. It won't pop up for you. For chain ID, yeah, we'll just put this one. Block Explorer, for currency symbol, we'll put 1, and then Block Explorer URL. We'll put there. And then you'd hit save, and boom, you have access to the Harmony network just like I do. Now that we have our MetaMask set up, we have Harmony added as a network. What we're going to do is we're actually going to send, let me see if I have any one left. Well, we're going to send some one to Harmony. So actually, let me go ahead and I will end up buying some Harmony here. price. Oh. Here I'll buy like $100 of Harmony, or sorry, of one. Best market price. All right, let's execute that bad boy. Cool. So see the notification popped up. Now in the trading account, it is going to show up in the trading account. So now we need to transfer that back to the main account. That's how you transfer it out. There we go. So here is our one. We're going to transfer from the trading account to the main account. I'm going to do all of it. Okay, success. Now we'll see it in the main account. And here, we're actually going to withdraw. Okay, yes, I understand the risks. So your wallet address, it's not going to be your MetaMask address, okay? For those experienced, do not skip this step. You are actually going to go to this URL, and I found some random ETH address, and you're going to plug it in here to get your one address. Notice how it says one. You're going to copy that. You're going to go back to KuCoin, paste that in, network. So there's only one option, one Harmony one. Okay. We're going to hit just max in this case. We'll see the fee. And then you can confirm. And then if you have 2FA, you might need to hit the 2FA or put in the code. But if it's your first time sending to Harmony, first time using KuCoin, you just want to do a microtransaction, like just send 20, just in case you mess up. And then you're only going to lose around $7 or $7 of one instead of potentially however much you bought. So try this as a microtransaction, right? Like the only thing you lose is one and a little bit of time. So you'll confirm, and once it's sent, you will see. So we'll just do all of it. I'm going to confirm the one. I'm going to skip the microtransaction. Actually, I will not be sending this for reasons for security to my actual wallet address, but it's fairly simple to send it over. And once it's sent over, you have to wait maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and then you'll see some one actually appear in your wallet. Okay, now you go to assets here. And actually to add one, I don't know if it adds it by default, CoinGecko one Harmony. I think it does, but in case it doesn't, if you go to CoinGecko Harmony, and I'll provide this link as well, you can just go to the little button to pop up. I guess it is added by default. But anyway, so you now have some one Harmony, okay? Some one in your Harmony network on MetaMask. From there, you're going to go to DeFiKingdoms.com. You're going to hit play. And again, make sure you're actually in the Harmony network here. It should say Harmony mainnet. If it says ETH, the game will tell you to switch. So here I can put a character name. I haven't set up an account on this wallet. So let's just call it Colin. And I'll select an avatar. So once you have your account, I have my account right here. To actually purchase Jewel, right? Again, we have one. We had to go through some steps. We're going to go to the marketplace. We are going to go to the Druid. And we're going to, not the Druid. We are going to go to the trader. And so here you can select your one balance, okay, or however much. So you can do max, you can do 100, 1 if you want, and keep in mind, 1 is approximately like 30 cents. So here we see Joule. Okay, boom, let's click on that. You'll see the icon, and then you can hit swap, and then it'll make sure that you're given, you have to give permission like you did when the game first started. And yeah, once you swap it, you have 1. Now at this point, this is optional. At this point you do have Joule. At this point, you can just keep it in your wallet if you want, but you might as well stake it for some interest. Who doesn't love interest? So you go to the bank, you talk to the teller, and then you can go to deposit, and then deposit your Joule in order to earn interest. Now, it doesn't tell you how much. Some people on Reddit have estimated about 30 to 50% APR, which is pretty good, especially if you're from traditional finance. So yeah, I recommend you doing that if you purchase Joule. No, this is not a recommendation. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So if you do purchase Joule, what I did stake my Joule. So take from it what you will. But anyway, hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions.